Welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to learn how we can convert a binary number into its equivalent decimal format. So watch the video till the end to learn how we can convert a binary number into its equivalent decimal number system. The binary number system is a positional number system where each binary digit or bit carries a certain weight based on its position relative to the least significant bit. Now, we can convert any binary number into its equivalent decimal format by simply summing together all the weight of the various positions in the binary number which contains value 1. Now to illustrate this, we have taken one example 11011. We are going to convert this binary number into its equivalent decimal format. So first of all, we are writing the binary number 11011, and since it's a binary number, so the positional weight that should be in 2 raised to the power. So since these all are binary number, so the positional weight that should be 2 raised to the power, so we are writing just 2. Now this is our LSB bit, least significant bit, so we are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we start putting the weight from the least significant bit and we move towards the left, and the power will be incremented by 1. So our next step is that we are going to multiply the digit with its positional value. So that means here 2 to the power 4 multiplied with 1, and after that we are going to add all the numbers here, plus 0 multiplied with 2 to the power 2, plus 1 is getting multiplied with 2 to the power 1, plus again 1 is getting multiplied 2 to the power 0. Now here we are multiplying the first, this one is the most significant bit 1, which has the value 1, with 2 to the power 4, so that means 16, plus this one 2 to the power 3 multiplied with 1, it means 8. Here anything is getting multiplied with 0 equals to 0 itself. Next one 2 to the power 1 into 1, so that means 2, and anything raised to the power 0, that means 1, so 1 is getting multiplied with 1, so the result is 1. Now we are going to add all these values and we will get 27. So therefore 11011 base 2 is equivalent to 27 in decimal number. So first we have to write the weightage of every binary digit, then we are going to multiply this the value with their positional weightage, then we are going to sum, we are going to add all the weight of the various positions of the binary number, and finally adding all the weightages we will get the result as, which is the decimal equivalent of the binary number. So now moving on to our next part, here we are going to convert again a binary number into its equivalent decimal format, but here the binary number is given as a fractional part. So here we are given a fractional binary number, here is a binary point is available. So the process to convert this binary fraction into its equivalent decimal format, we will follow the same procedure we will put the positional weightage of each and every binary digit, and then we are going to multiply with its positional weightage, and after that we are going to add all the multiplication results to get the decimal equivalent. So here we have our binary point, this one, and after binary point we have the values as 0, 1, 0 and 1. Since all are in binary, so we are writing 2 here, and to give the positional weightage, so here it is the binary point, we move towards the right hand side and the weightage becomes negative, the power becomes negative. So this one is -1, this one is -2, -3, -4. The farthest that we move, it becomes more negative. So after that we are going to multiply this binary digits with its positional weightage to get the decimal equivalent value. So that means 0 is getting multiplied with 2 to the power -1, plus 1 is getting multiplied with 2 to the power -2, plus 0 is getting multiplied with 2 raised to the power -3, plus 1 is getting multiplied with 2 raised to the power -4. So anything multiplied with 0, the result is 0. 1 is getting multiplied with 2 to the power -2, the result will be 0.25. Here the result is 0, and for this case 2 raised to the power -4 multiplied with 1, it will be 0.0625. Now if we add this 2, we will get the result as 0.375. So we are getting the result as 0.3125. So therefore the decimal equivalent of the binary number 0.0101, that will be 0.3125. This is our answer. Now let's work with this example. We are having a binary number, a fractional part and a non-fractional part. So to convert it into its decimal equivalent, we will proceed with the same procedure. So just write down the binary number first, 1101.01, and write down their base. The base is 2. The left part of the binary point, we are starting the index with 0, 1, 2, 3 onwards, and just the right part of the binary point, we are starting putting the power as -1, -2. So now we are going to multiply the binary digit with their positional weightage, and we are going to add the results to get the decimal equivalent of the given binary number. Plus 0 is getting multiplied with 2 to the power -1, plus 1 is getting multiplied with 2 to the power -2. So here 2 to the power 3 multiplied with 1, that means 8. 2 square multiplied with 1, 4. Anything multiplied with 0 is 0. Anything to the raised to the power 0 means 1, multiplied with 1 means 1, plus anything multiplied with 0 is again 0, and 2 to the power -2, that thing can also be written as 1 by 4. 1 by 2 square, that means also 1 by 4. So here we have 13 plus 1 by 4, and this 1 by 4 can also be written as fraction. So that means 1 by 4 means 0.25. So just add these two, we will get 13.25. So therefore we are finding the decimal equivalent of the given binary number, which is equals to 13.25. This is our answer.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell icon for regular updates.